Hello, we continue with practice A on page 13, translating. Translating English to algebraic expressions. Translate to algebra. All right, let's read problem number 3. Anna has Z fewer dimes than quarters. Notice that in previous problems we had 4 more or 4 more. Now we have Z fewer. Do not be alarmed. We can have variables that stand in place of numbers in algebra. So, how do we model Z fewer dimes? That means she has fewer dimes, shorter bar for dimes, and of course more quarters. And what is the difference between dimes and quarters? Well, the difference is Z. If Anna has X quarters, right, all together, let's model this. If she has X quarters, how many dimes would she have? Well, we have fewer dimes. So the number of dimes would be X minus Z. If Anna has X dimes, how many quarters would she have? Well, we have more quarters. It would be X plus the difference, plus Z. If Anna has X dimes and quarters all together, just like we've seen in problem 1 and 2 about Ken and Earl. If she has X dimes and quarters all together, how many coins of each denomination does she have? Well, in order to find the smaller amount, in order to find the smaller quantity, we would say the number of dimes is, step 1, subtract the difference. X is the total minus Z, which is the difference, and split it by 2. And the number of quarters would be X minus Z over 2 plus the difference Z. My friends, this looks very different from everything we've seen before, but welcome to algebra. You will get used to translating English to algebra with more and more practice. Let's look at the last problem. Sarah has 4 times. Look, now we don't have 4 more, we have 4 times as many dimes as quarters. Let's dimes and quarters again. Sarah has 2 denominations. What does she have more? She has 4 times as many dimes. So if these are her quarters, she has 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times as many dimes as more quarters. How many more? 4 times more. If Sarah has Y quarters, if she has Y quarters, that means Y 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times. The number of dimes is 4Y. If Sarah has, I'm going to pick up a different color, Y dimes, how many quarters does she have? Well, to compute the quarters, we have 4 times fewer quarters. So it would be Y divided by 4, which is the same as 1/4 of Y. If Sarah has, let me clean up this drawing. If Sarah has Y dimes and quarters all together, Y dimes and quarters all together, such as this. How many coins of each denomination does she have? Well, we have 5 units and they're equal to Y. That means 1 unit equals Y divided by 5, or same thing as 1/5 of Y. Therefore, 1/5 of Y is for quarters, right? That's our quarters. And 1/5, 1/5, 1/5, 1/5 of Y altogether. Therefore, so this is one answer. And that means 4/5 of Y is the number of dimes. I hope you're getting a hang of it. We will do a lot more translations, many more examples as you move forward in your study of algebra.